Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about a fuel line. This is the one that runs between the fuel selector, between left and right tank, 2 or 4 place airplanes, and the firewall. And it delivers fuel to the other side where it's picked up by the electric fuel pump and sent onto the carburetor. Not a very exciting topic on this fuel line, the 401121-5 fuel tube, but let's take a closer look at it and see what all can happen to it. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Again, it's not a very exciting part of your airplane, and it kind of gets lost in this convoluted drawing and diagram from the parts manual. But it's the fuel that goes from the selector all the way up to the firewall. And as you can see, that little brown spot in the protective plastic sleeving is from being near a defroster vent. There is a little jog in it, so you have to go and leave it room so that the control column, which sits in the airplane, can move forward and back, and that's why there's a jog in the tube. Now on this particular case, the customer had a DMA fuel totalizer in his airplane. They had cut the original line, but the original line had been corroded and had some fuel leaks in it, and he wanted to replace it with a new one, and making a straight one, and even he and his mechanic together could not work out the geometry of the fuel line. So what we did was we harvested one out of a close serial number to his Yankee, and it's on his way to him. But anyway, that's what the 401121-5 fuel tube looks like. I'm surprised they didn't call it an assembly because of the fittings on either end. Those are number 6 fittings, and again, it goes to the center of the fuel selector and jogs over to the firewall. There it is, again, the 401121-5 fuel tube. And don't let anything happen to yours, and keep that protective coating on there, and don't let anything fray it and cause a fuel leak. And here it is, all boxed up, ready to go. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative, probably more about a fuel tube than you ever wanted to know. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So you've met Freckles, our cat supervisor, but here are the new cats destroying the Avery Island Tabasco pepper that sits by her back door. So I thought you'd enjoy watching them destroy something that doesn't belong to you.